Hi, we are Rob and Ali, sharing with you our passion of all things cruise and travel.
Now, you may have heard us mention about our USB blender and how to make your own smoothies whilst on
If you're
board.
watching YouTube, you will definitely have seen these in your feed.
Yeah, we've mentioned them, I think, in a couple of our videos. But what we're going to do now is we're going to show you how this USB blender that is acceptable on any cruise ship, because it doesn't plug into the mains. Just you can charge it from a power bank. We're going to show you how you can use it just after breakfast, things that you get from the buffet, to make yourself a nice smoothie.
Whoa, yeah.
Okay.
All courtesy of the food
That's right.
and milk that's provided for you. I am so excited about this. You know I love all this kind of junk. Anyway, this is we actually got the real deal. We got the blend jet, and we got the latest version because the power is a lot stronger.
Blend Jet 2. This thing will actually crush ice. We haven't got ice in it, but it will.
But it will crush ice. I actually could go and get some ice from the bar. Stay right there, I will be right back. So here I am, as if by magic. Here is some ice that I just went and got from the bar. So, yeah, so we thought about bringing these on board either to make fruit smoothies by using the fruit from the pantry that's on offer. In the mornings you get yogurt as well, and then there's always a choice of milks of either skimmed milk or full fat milk. And you can ask for soy milk or almond milk if you prefer, and there is also fruit juice as well. I ran to the bar. I was so excited, I'm out of breath. I ran to get the ice. So what I put in here from the breakfast bar this morning was there's some mixed fruits, which is sort of melons and apples, and there's some pineapple in there, and then they had some sort of tinned peaches. They did have prunes, but
No. Well, all depends.
I think
if you feel the need after all the cruise food.
I think you'd end up with a brown sludge, wouldn't
Love
you?
to, wouldn't it?
So, okay, so I haven't done this before. This is straight up.
It's the first time.
This might not work. So, in goes the yogurt.
Probably should have brought a spoon as well, shouldn't we, to get that out?
Yeah. There we go.
It's a test anyway, so. Now don't overfill it. Not sure how much you need. So maybe start off with that and see how we go.
Do you think?
Yes.
I think that's about.
You don't want to overfill it. You can always put some more milk in.
Okay.
You saw it here first.
I've put the ice on top.
Alley.
That's definitely the wrong.
Yeah,
thing.
no, the ice I think should go in first.
The
I think
ice
you
should
put your
get the
solid
last
stuff
one.
in first. Anyway, we'll see how it goes.
I think I've made a bit of a mess of that.
I'm not sure you normally put ice in the smoothie anyway, but there we go. Here we go. It's looking good. It's looking like it's blending.
Oh my
I
god.
don't know how long that's taken. We should have timed it, but it's only like 20, 30 seconds perhaps.
Oh. Now, I'm going to give this. Oh, look at this.
It's still yes. It probably maybe could have done with a little bit longer.
Okay. Okay, I'll put that last blob of ice in. Nothing go to waste. Now, at the breakfast bar, they have honey as well, and they also have cinnamon sugar. So you can, you can be as fancy as you like with these things. It certainly crushed the ice. That's gone.
Can't hear it at all now.
And some of that melon was quite hard as well, and it's done a lot. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Does look good.
Now, because I did not ask for almond milk, but I certainly will be asking for it, I'm going to give this to Robert to try. Okay, so you have to tell me what it's like, and then whether it needed a little bit of honey or sugar. You try
Okay,
this.
so this is a mixed fruit smoothie with ice. Okay. Ooh.
You went for a second one, in for a second.
Yeah, I think probably what I'll do is I'll put maybe a little bit more yogurt in and a little bit less milk. just to make it a little bit thicker. It maybe needs a little bit longer on the fruit. There's some quite big chunks, but I don't mind it actually, because it's like, it gives you something to chew on as well. It's like, it looks healthy, doesn't it? But yeah,
flavour-wise, that?
Yeah, you can taste the fruit. Absolutely taste the fruit. That is lovely. Thing is as well, what you can do. Thank you. So what you can do, you can put it all in there, blend it up, put it in your fridge, and leave it till later in the day. So you don't need to necessarily do it or have it at breakfast. That's a success. That is a success.
On all the adverts that we've seen, they say that they clean themselves. So you literally empty this out, put in a little bit of water, so you don't need dishwasher or anything. You just put in the water and just put it on blend again, and it will just clean itself out. And I have done that at home, and that definitely works. The other thing we were thinking of as well is, when I have to say for the girls, because it was the hot chocolate, and I was thinking about doing sort of like a cold chocolate drink for them, to get some ice and then go and get the hot chocolate powder and the milk and whiz all this up and make them a chocolate drink. So we'll see if we can do that a little bit later and give you the verdict on that. But that is definitely a success and worth bringing on board.
So if you've liked this video, if you found it helpful, if you thought it was a bit of fun, or you are rushing out right now to buy one of these USB blends,
Yes.
Thanks for watching.
And we're not on commission.
Look, there are lots. This is quite an expensive one, but there are lots of other ones on the market. If you don't want to do the ice, if you just want to do the smoothies, I believe you can get them from like Kmart for $25, something like that. But this is a little bit more expensive. We wanted it to do the ice, but we are not favouring any particular brand. So anyway, if you've liked it, this video, please hit like, please hit subscribe, hit the notification button if you want to watch more of our videos, and we will see you in the next one. So bye for now.
Bye.